Hi everyone, AK here. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to search contact in your contacts in Active Campaign. So basically, you click on contacts here from the dashboard, and then you can search by the name of the contact or the email. Also here you can view all the lists, and you can view the active. The active is actually the people who are still active and didn't unsubscribe. Unconfirmed, I'm not sure what it is, but I think it is if you have two-step confirmation when people opt in into your email marketing or into your landing page. You send them an email and you ask for confirmation. So I think this views the unconfirmed ones. I don't use that feature. Unsubscribed, it shows the people who unsubscribe. Bounce, it shows like if the emails that bounce, that maybe it doesn't work or something. I think Active Campaign try to send them emails 3 times and consider it as a soft bounce, and then it will categorize them as hard bounce, and then they will remove them from I think they will not be counted against your active contacts. But it's better always to clean them and delete them to ensure better deliverability for your email marketing campaigns. Also, you can search by lists, okay, and you can search by tags as well. And also you have a feature for advanced search, which is this one. So you can say that let's say people who currently in specific automation. So let's say automation 1, all right? So when you search now, it's 14,000. I think this number will go down. Yeah, 13,000. See, and this feature is the most powerful, is actually the advanced search. And you can add another condition. And here, like example, end specific condition, like has tag or has opened specific email, right? Then you add the campaign or email. End usually refines the search more, or it's like wider search when you use or. So this is basically how you use the search tool in Active Campaign. Thank you so much, and see you soon with another video.